Hello, Sharon Rammel with you. Welcome to my daily meditation guide. You may ask, why and what are you doing here? Simply, you feel out of touch and it's time to get back in. In my daily practice, I note many people who are stressed, they suffer from anxiety, they are time poor, and they feel out of sorts. They do not even know who they are. They have no connection with the Mother Earth, with the sky above, or their inner feelings. So detached are they. And so thus I bring you this daily meditation and tips and trick guide. Now, you can meditate, or you can choose colours, gods and goddesses, candles or foods. There are so many little things out there that we can do that will change the way we think, we feel, that will bloom and blossom within us and create a little haven of heaven within. Now, if you are here on a Tuesday, then clearly start on a Tuesday. Or if, like here, it is Friday, well, that's the day for Venus and our throat chakra. So go that way with the day. Right now, it is our job on earth to recall the peace and love way. We are the people our Mother Earth has been waiting for. It is time for us all individually to turn the wheel, to bring heaven down to earth and earth up to heaven, to blend them within, to find divine within the core of our beings. We are being called to walk the beauty way, fearlessly and with love and grace. We are being called to let go of fear, to bring love into our hearts and into our lives. Now, there are many destructive forces out there on our planet. It is easy to hook into the news and to get depressed about the planet and where it is heading. Every one of us can make a difference by drawing in, by finding love and beauty, by making small differences to the way we live and offering a helping hand to those who need. Use these tips and tricks to fire up your life, to bring it some spice, to bring it some peace. But above all, know that it is your time to walk the beauty way.